Welcome back guys to the RMA Car Care channel, where we are bringing you the best in paint protection film solutions. Now, you might have seen a previous video where we colour changed a Land Cruiser built by Arctic Trucks. Now on that build, what we done was we used two products, vinyl wrap and paint protection film to protect the vinyl wrap. Now we're back with another build from Arctic Trucks with new technology, Change PPF, where we're combining the two. Colour change wrap and PPF into one product. Come and have a look guys. Now the Toyota Hilux, built by Arctic Trucks, was built to be tough, built to be rugged, but it didn't quite look like that. That's why our customer brought this car in for a radical colour change, using our new technology, colour paint protection film. Come and have a look at the original colour of the paint, and the colour change Nardo Grey PPF that we've installed on this car. Not only that is it a colour change PPF, but it's also heat healing. Heat healing meaning that any light scratches, swirl marks will easily be removed with a little bit of application of heat, keeping the PPF looking fresh for years to come. Yeah, now we're on our way to Arctic Trucks. Wow, can't wait. This is going to be a thriller. So that's us back at Arctic Trucks guys, after installing the paint protection film on the Hilux. Now after installing the PPF, we've brought the car back up to Arctic Trucks to reinstall the wheel arches and reapply the sealant as per Arctic Trucks specification. We'll go and have a look at that in a second. But on another note, I do wonder how the Hilux would fare against the Porsche Cayenne GTS in our desert environment in the UAE. But that's a story for another day, and maybe a video for another day. In the meantime, let's go and have a look at the finish. Hilux is going to go back to RMA Car Care now for final finishing, ready to hand over to the customer. But in the meantime, have a look at some of the Arctic trucks built, some of the best in the world, built for all sorts of uses. 200 series Land Cruisers, 300 series Land Cruisers, Hiluxes, Patrols, some of the best builds in the world. And check what's just rolled into the workshop, guys. One of the cars that we previously sold at RMA Motors, this stunning 200 series Land Cruiser, built by Arctic Trucks as well. Look at the spec on this thing. Tough, hood scoop. So that's it, guys, for this incredible colour change PPF conversion on the Hilux built by Arctic Trucks. Thank you for sticking around. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.